Alright, I know I've been time-lapsing a lot this video, but after about 3 failed attempts, I finally got them on. I'm gonna put the brake calipers on next, but it's time for a cold beer. Well, of course nothing's ever easy, so the brake hose has to connect right here, which on the drum brake assembly it connected on the front side of this. So now I gotta make that reach back there, which means I need to disconnect this thing. But I think I am going to have the rest of this beer before I attack that. So stay tuned. Well, I'm on beer number 2, but we got everything installed. All we gotta do is put some brake fluid in this bad boy, and they should work. How about them tigers? Anyways, we're gonna bleed this now. Until she clears up. Looks like I need to fill it up again, but that's fine. It needed a good flush anyways. We'll get back to it. See if all this hard work paid off.
Some of the prospects, Justin LeBron right now, number 3. I mean, if you haven't seen him play, you need to make sure you find him.
It took a little bit longer than expected, but come on, baby. I'm so nervous to do the first brake check. Hey! Let's go. We made it. Let's go, dude. We can stop. The transmission's having a hard time downshifting fast enough to keep up, but if that's my biggest problem, I'm happy with it. We finna rip. Awesome. Here we go. Come on, baby. Give me more. Hell yeah! Win. Hey. Perfect. Till next time.